Welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Today's video is all about showing you how you can download and use the Unisat wallet. So Unisat is a Bitcoin and ordinals compatible wallet. So why are we bringing this video to you? So we already see the trend take off, just like the Solana trend. We showed how to use the Phantom wallet. Then we had the Tron narrative as well. We showed how to use the Tron link wallet. Now under the radar, the Bitcoin trend is coming up slowly, and we want you to be positioned appropriately. And first, you always know that the wallet is needed for your transactions, and in this case, Unisat wallet is what we would be recommending. Alright, so let's get started with this video. First, you need to download your Unisat wallet from your Play Store or your App Store, depending on your device. And once you have your wallet downloaded, you open up the wallet. Alright, so it says welcome to Unisat, your trusted Bitcoin wallet with full support for ordinals and atomicals protocol. So let's get started. We're going to be creating a new wallet. Alright, so we need to enter password. Let's give the password SMC1234 CSMC1234. Okay, so I've agreed. Next, it's not long enough. Alright, so we need at least 8 characters, 5, 6, and this, okay, 5, 6. Okay, so let's go right ahead. Alright, so we've been presented with our seed phrase. So you need to write this down. Ensure that you store your 12 words secret recovery phrase in a safe place. Okay, so let's quickly get this drafted down. Next. Alright, now we're supposed to more like verify that we already jotted our seed phrase. So let's arrange the words in order. Let's see. Okay, we're getting the 12 words arranged accordingly. Let's tap on next. Alright, great. So our wallet has been created. Okay, so we are presented with different types of Bitcoin addresses: Native SegWit, Nested SegWit, Taproot, Legacy. So for your interactions with this Bitcoin transactions, for the trend that's coming up, what you'll be needing is the Taproot address, and it starts with the BC1P. So please take note, it's not the Native SegWit that starts with the BC1Q, it's the Taproot that starts with the BC1P that you'll be needing. So probably there's an NFT that used to mint, or you need to try to get whitelist. The BC1P Taproot address is the address that you need to be sharing with this project, probably so you get your whitelist, or probably get some airdrops and all of that. So we tap on Taproot. The reason why we're going with Taproot is because Taproot is most cost effective. Let's be aware that for ordinal as a rare set are not supported, for atomical assets non-ARC20 are not supported yet. Alright, understood. Okay. Alright, so we've checked that, and now this is our wallet. And now let's go through all of the functionalities of this wallet. Where we have this Bitcoin icon here, there's a drop down. Okay, so this is where you select network, and we have Bitcoin mainnet and Bitcoin testnet, fractal Bitcoin mainnet, fractal Bitcoin testnet. So what we're looking use of is the Bitcoin mainnet and the fractal Bitcoin mainnet. These are the main networks I will be interacting with going forward, and there will be other tutorial videos where I will show you how you can fund your fractal Bitcoin mainnet, and also how you can interact with the fractal Bitcoin mainnet. Because these projects that have NFTs, that want to launch NFTs, if they want to do a free mint, and it's going to be, and you provide them with your Taproot address, most times always built on the fractal Bitcoin mainnet. That's what you've been interacting with. So you need FB. FB is the token under the fractal Bitcoin mainnet, and in subsequent videos I'll be showing you how you can convert your BTC to FB, so you wouldn't miss out on any opportunities in the Bitcoin ecosystem. Alright guys, so this is literally the basic thing that we need to know about. Okay, let's see the icons beneath at the bottom. Okay, this is the link to the app. I don't think this is functional yet, coming soon. And also we have the settings icon. You can just go through the settings icon in your spare time and see things that you need more to modify about the wallet. So that's all about setting up the Unisat wallet. So in the next video, we're going to be talking about how we can navigate through the wallet, get our receiving address, send out assets, and check out the whole settings of the wallet. So we're going to be having like a part 2 of the how to use the Unisat wallet. Alright guys, I hope this video has been helpful. Ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that post notification bell for more educative content. If you do find our tutorial videos helpful, ensure to support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description beneath. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.